The future of monster truck racing as we know it remains from recovery. Mini monster trucks, let them hear ya! Let's talk to Allie, the driver of Pretty Wicked. Now, Allie, here's the thing. This is your first full season. You've been behind the wheel last year. This is your first season full time behind the wheel of one of these monster trucks. First of all, how did you get started doing all this?
Well, my family's been involved for a really long time, and I was never really into it. I was always kind of against it. And then I met Kinsley here last year. We became friends in one show. She convinced me to drive, and I've loved it ever since.
How awesome is that? Now, you mentioned Kinsley, your teammate there, the driver of Lady Luck. How cool is it to have her as a teammate, a best friend, kind of a coach, if you will, somebody that you can call a best friend in this industry? It's gotta feel good having her behind you.
Yeah, it's pretty great because me and Kinsley, even though we are against each other on the track, we get to show all the guys that no matter who wins, that the girls can do just as good or better than them.
Yeah! How about it? You're hearing the cheers from all the girls up there, all the ladies are behind you. That's gotta feel just amazing.
It feels great because usually this is a men's dominated sport, and it's great to show all the guys that, again, we can do better than them.
Now, the ladies are behind you. I gotta ask you the question, Allie. What can they expect from Pretty Wicked right here in Freestyle today?
Hopefully some good donuts and some big air.
Donuts in there, ladies and gentlemen. How about it for Pretty Wicked? Now let's talk to that teammate that she was referring to, Miss Kinsley, the driver of Team Lady Luck. Kinsley, first of all, having Allie there, being able to bring her into the industry. Now you guys are best friends and teammates. How cool is it to have her as a teammate?
It's a really great experience because I was the only girl driver for a long time. Then I convinced Allie, like she said, and it's just really fun to drive with her at each show. And we go to each show, every track, and we show all the boys in the stands what ladies can do.
How about it? Now, Kinsley, here's the thing. You have a lot of magic and sponsors behind you that help keep that Lady Luck truck on the track each and every weekend. What are some of the sponsors behind that Lady Luck truck?
Yes, Corbin, there's a lot of magic behind the truck. I'd like to thank my dad, Steven, Jay, and Corey for helping me when my truck was broken last night. I wouldn't be running if it wasn't for them. And I'd like to thank KJ, Rapid Fleet Service, and Angry Duck. Without them, I wouldn't be here today.
How about it? Now, Kinsley, I'm going to ask you the same question I asked your teammate Allie. You got a lot of fans in the stands, a lot of them cheering for you guys out there. A lot of them want to see Lady Luck send out here today. What can they expect from Team Lady Luck here in Freestyle tonight?
You know, Corbin, I would tell you, but it all depends on you guys and to show how loud and crazy y'all get, to show how crazy y'all get on this track.
Do we have any Lady Luck fans in the stands? Let's talk to the guy who's running this field out, Garrett, the driver of Mini Stinger. Now, Garrett, first of all, there's a lot of fans here that have been to a Renegade show in the past. They've been to a Renegade show, they know what Mini Stinger looks like. They're thinking, wait a minute, this thing is blue. This is different than before. What's the new paint job, man? This is cool.
Yeah, so we just put this body on. Me and my brother are running it this year as the 15th anniversary to celebrate what him and my dad created all these years.
Well, how cool is that? 15 years of Stinger Unleashed. How amazing is it to celebrate that 15-year legacy that your dad got started all these years ago? I mean, this started, I think, before you even born, and now here you are, living out that legacy that your dad got started. How cool is that, carrying that on?
Yeah, it's amazing coming out and driving this truck and knowing that I'm representing my dad and my brother every weekend.
Now, just like Lady Luck, you have a lot of sponsors and magic behind you that keep you on the road each and every weekend. Who's some of the sponsors behind Mini Stinger?
Yeah, I have a lot of great people and sponsors. My dad, my brother, Art, Andy, people that keep this truck, keep running every weekend for you fans. 717 Wraps and Vinyls, Rainstone Recovery, the Metal Shop. A lot of great people to keep this truck on the road for you fans every weekend.
All right. Now I'm going to ask you the same thing that I asked the ladies up there. What can these fans expect from Mini Stinger on this track in Freestyle?
Normally I would just say I would flip it, but new body, so I got to preserve it a little bit, so hopefully just some big air.
Well, there you go. Monster Truck Bands. How about it for Garrett and Mini Stinger? One more time, race fans. Let's hear it for your Mini Monster Truck Superstars. I was on my way. Mini Shredders in the house!
A good start, a big jump. How about it? How nicely done here for Garrett. Good stuff going here so far for Garrett.
I thought he was finished up, and he's like, no, man, I'm sorry.
Oh, hard nose out there. He's on all fours. And looks like he's got a marker right there. Makes a rush for Garrett. A good stop, a big jump. How about it? How nicely done here for Garrett.
Italian pretty wicked!
Getting some nice donuts in to start off. Got boom close there to the wall. A lot of crazy with the big
Now, I've been told that these trucks are on a 4-summer engine.
Yeah, it was. I learned that today. Hold on very well on these trucks. And, oh, she's getting hammered. Know how to run this truck. Absolutely. Make your way from out of turn one down to the front stretch here. See what she's going for next. As she's lining up for the racing.
Wait a minute!
Pretty wicked. Big jump there, man. Caught me off guard too.
Absolutely, she came out of nowhere, man. be giving us the baker's dozen down there on the far side. She's got her head out the window. Make some noise! Fantastic start. Some more donuts. A little bit trickier. The track might be a little bit different over here compared to the far side. Well, give my notes to the drivers who were doing something here earlier today, but she don't care. She wants to use. Oh my goodness! Oh, the hood is starting to come off. It's only fiberglass after all. She don't care about that. She comes out here to go big. Lining up now for the finish line. For you there, competitor, we have here and Mini Stinger Unleashed. Oh, no sides, and it keeps on all fours. Good truck controller on that landing. Couple more big jumps here from Mini Stinger. Oh, no sides, and it keeps on all fours. Good truck controller on that landing.